guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today is
Sunday.
And after Paris and Melbourne, we will go to cinemas. Yes, that's right. Because we are once again invited by Universal Pictures Australia. We're very grateful. Thank you so much for inviting us to the premiere of the movie WONKA. Sadly, Daddy Mike and Baby Celine hindi sila makakasama because because si Baby Celine kasi guys, she's still very young for cinemas, so hindi niya tinatapos yung movie and that, so in the middle of the movie kailangan nila lumabas. So Daddy Mike decided na dito na lang sila, magpapaiwan na lang sila dito sa bahay. But then because I can bring 3 guests with me, I decided na isama ko yung pinsan ko na si Joy and also her boyfriend na si Nat. So, mag-meet kami doon, guys. Here's our outfit for today. Ayan, move here a little bit, honey, so they can see you. Allah, layo ng ayaw. Can you still see us? Ayan. Turn around. Dress code kasi sa invitation is sweet and stylish because yung movie is about, you know, like sugars, chocolates, and like that. So, ito lang yung nahanap namin sa baul namin. So, Ate Paris is wearing this. It looks sweet, you know what I mean? Like, all these colors. And, you know.
It looks like it's like...
Oh, you got hearts on yours as well, see? So, si mami niya, meron ding mga hearts, polka dots sa kanyang dress.
It's very good, like lollies.
Yeah, it's like lollies, yeah?
Cookies?
Cookies, yeah.
And
So, ayan. And then, pinarisan ko lang ng aking Chanel wedges. And then, his bag. And that's it. We're good to go. So, the event cinema that we're going to is in Imovie, which is around 25 minutes drive from here. So, buti na lang maaga kami, guys. That bihisan ko sa Baby Celine before kami umalis. Because they're going out as well. They're gonna have breakfast outside. And Paris and I, and Tita Joy and Tito Nat will enjoy our day
yes.
in cinemas. You excited? Let's go. Dito na kami ngayon sa Imovie shopping center, guys. Malapit na kami sa cinema. But alam niyo ba, very bad timing kasi ang ating Ate Paris sa sasakyan, I was actually wondering why she's not talking. Alam niyo naman, very talkative to siya. I asked her like, are you okay? And like, she was like this in the car. So, are you okay? And she said she's not feeling very well. You got a headache? Yeah? And I said like, we can always go. You better remember, you're most important here, okay? Yeah? If you don't feel like it, if you don't feel good, we can always go home. We'll watch the movie later. Okay? Huh? It's okay, they're on their way here. We can always bring them in and then we can leave. But yeah, but have this drink. We've got like hot chocolate and got banana bread for her. Hopefully she'll feel better. I've got like the Priceline pharmacy in front of us. Bibuhan ko rin siya ng Nurofen. She'll feel better. Okay? Sabi ko nga, kung sana, sinabi niya nung sa bahay pa kami, I can always, but she was feeling good nung sa bahay pa kami. Diyan na sa sasakyan, papunta dito. Tsaka na. Hindi na lang sana kami umalis. You okay? Thank you so much.
Here, had a dozen silver sovereigns, now I'm somehow the act. Laughed a lot and took him back. Don't want it day, but what of this is
She liked half the movie. Yeah, that's all she wants.
Yes, it's almost over.
No? Tapos lang ng movie, guys. Have a look. What do you think of the movies, people? What do you think of the movie?
I like it.
Yeah, Paris too. She's feeling much better now, guys. Oh my God, thank God. So I'm just gonna have photos here. Asa may linya na hawa. Take photo then. Look, we'll take a photo. It's okay.
You want a good photo?
No, we'll go together. Is there anyone who can take a photo for us? Like the four of us. Nat, can you take a photo?
What's the camera? What's camera?
Just finish our picture taking, guys. Ayan. Hey, show the on the box. See, meron kaming free Wonka chocolate pagkapasok. Yan. I'm so glad she is feeling much better now, guys. Nakatulog siya ng konti sa loob. And pinainom ko siya kanina ng Nurofen before kami pumasok. So, I'm super happy. Kasi, oh my God, grabe naman yung timing. Naligo ko more. Dagat. Oh, hindi mo siya naligo, guys. Hapon. Magbasa-basa lang sa dagat ba? It's super hot. Thank you for joining us, Madam. Thank you for joining us, Joy and Nat. Itong dalawa ay hangover pa. Hangover pa itong dalawa. So we're gonna go have something to eat. Ay, shush ay. Ay, nasaba. Sorry. Walahin na ang lahat. Kakain muna kami. Maghahanap daw kami ng sabaw. See, I know when she's feeling better, guys, because nagsasalita siya. Kanina, ayaw na niyang magsalita.
No?
Oh my God. Nag-alala ako. Sabi ko, uwi na talaga tayo, anak. Ayaw mo niyang umuwi. The Nurofen work. So, Nat, what's your thought about that movie? Did you learn anything?
Learn about life values.
Legit ba?
Isn't that legit though in a movie?
Yes. Yeah, true. Oh, have you watched the original one?
Oh no, you know how his dad is supposed to be a dentist?
Oh, okay, now I did.
Yeah. And it was like,
Which one?
the English one.
Johnny Depp?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Johnny Depp's dad.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about the other one. The one from the 80s? 70s?
The old.
Yeah, they didn't want him to be a chocolate person either, but it was a parent.
Oh, it's a different story.
Yeah.
Anyways, from the story that we watched, what's your thoughts?
Singing was good. I wasn't expecting the musical.
Yeah, I didn't know there was going to be that many.
Singing. Yeah, I love that part.
I forgot that he's very good singing.
Oh! He sang on
Yeah.
What about you, Joy?
Sorry.
Nah, I'm so possible.
No, it's in my head. It's just not coming out.
Because the adjective.
Family.
Yeah.
They don't need to be blood related.
So true. How about you, Paris?
I already told you.
Oh, what was that, honey?
Be kind.
Be kind. Yeah. And there's one line, well actually yeah, there's one line that, I'll never ever forget. Every good thing starts with a dream. So go chase your dream, Paris.
What's your dream?
What's your dream? Oh, okay. Not at the moment, you don't have dream at the moment.
I thought you wanted to be a doctor. You don't want to be a doctor anymore? Teacher.
Teacher? So killer. Alright, so killer. Everyone has to be a teacher.
You don't want to be a nurse?
Teacher and then nurse later on. Why not?
I don't want to be a doctor. Because, like, then they don't get it, like, get you from there.
You scared?
Get you sick.
You know, before we went in the cinema, my dream was for you to get better. that was it. Yeah. I just wanted you to feel better. I'm so happy you're better now. There's our lunch, guys.
Yeah.
This is the basic that I have. Anong pangalan sa pangalan na ni Joy?
Hakataya.
Wait, we only got
Oh, which one's that? Is that the Nagahama? Nagahama ramen?
Nagahama. No, Hakataya.
Oh no, I mean like this one.
Oh, that one, sorry.
Agay, hangover, ganyan ako kauban no. Natakalag tubag na.
Yes. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, I just asked for the basic one, guys, for me and Ate Paris. We will share, okay? Okay. Have a look, we've got noodles. So you can put some noodles on your bowl. Okay, do it now. Please, thank you. Guys, they're going home now. Yeah, thank you for joining us.
thank you for the invite.
Thanks for coming.
So you have to get ingat.
Okay? Right, say bye-bye, tita.
Bye, Paris.
We're gonna go home now because our baby's Celine will be
Bye.
looking for mama. Come on, here, come on, go.
That's your bag.
She got it, don't worry. Safe. Bye-bye, say hi to everyone. We might see you before Christmas. Yeah. We are on our way out and nakita namin tong very cool na, how do you call this one lang? Ornament? Yeah. This is so cool. Yeah, look. Sobrang laki. Pakita ko sa inyo ha, Ate Paris. See? It's so big. And yeah. Walang mag-take ng photo namin. Ganyan na lang. Up like this.
Cheesy.
Smile. Yay! Uwi na kami kasi namimiss ko na ang ating baby Celine. Dari man, of course, as well. And, pabili sa Ate Paris nito.
What?
And then another watch for Ate Paris. So,
That's what I bought.
yeah, please don't lose it again, okay? Stop lang kami sa isang shop, which is the Snigo. So, pinilihan ko rin ang ating baby Celine nito. Alam niyo ba, super sweet kasi I asked Ate Paris, which one do you think we should get for baby Celine? And she knows her sister very much. She said she loves pink and purple, so she asked me to have this one. So, ayan.
There's different colors.
Yeah. And we're gonna head home now. Na-stress ako very large kanina, guys, with Ate Paris, but luckily, yes, she is much better now. I was so ready to go home. But yeah, she's better now and she watched some of the movie and
Because I fall asleep.
yeah.
I was just
that's okay.
I was closing my eyes.
Yeah, but you felt better after that sleep. But you still watch the, towards the end.
Yeah.
Did you like it? What do you like about the movie? What did you learn from it?
I learned to be kind.
Be kind? Yeah.
Show your love.
Yes. That's right.
Imagine stuff that you love.
Yeah, dream, yes. Imagine, yeah, that's right. You see, she still got it. Hindi niya nakita yung middle of the movie kasi nga, like, hinayaan ko na lang siya. And when she woke up, she felt much better. So, that's good. Now, it's time to go home to see Daddy Mike and
See you at home.
See you at home, guys.
We've gone about 3 times now.
Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, this is where we came in.
If you feel low bad, you can always go home.
That's right, yeah. Correct.
Ati? Is Ati? Give Ati carrots and kisses.
Why do you smell something? What should we been playing with?
So eating KFC.
Okay, okay. Let's sorry. It smell. Ooh, hi, mom. Close your eyes. Okay, don't peek. No peeking. Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna get you a present.
Oh my god, I walked from Belinda with bags.
Yeah,
My face is still red. I've had a cold shower.
yeah. So
I'm
hot.
walking up. He was like, you know, and I went down Victoria Street.
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah.
With these bags. I got here and my face was just like a beetroot.
Nah, the weather didn't help. It's hot. Hey!
Lie down. I'm just going to soak my clothes.
What do you say to mama? What do you say to mama?
Say thank you to Ati because she's the one who.
Yeah, thank you to Ate. Ate chose that. Say thank you, Ate.
Open.
Thank you, Ate. Say thank you, Ate, and Ate can open for you. Come here, anak. Alas 4 na, guys. Anak ko, come here, anak ko. Kakalabas ko lang galing kwarto kasi pinadidi ko ang aking grocery. And I remember na sa Filipino store yesterday, bumili pala ako nito. Turon po mo. So, I'm going to make turon. While, kinakain ko tong KFC ng aking biyanan. Do we have enough oil? Ala, wala yung oil. Ana. Naubusan pala kami ng oil, guys. Na-prank ako ah. Hindi muna ito. Bili ako ng oil na mamaya. Diba normally, kapag Sunday ay nag-grocery shopping kami. Pero, tapos naman ang school ni Ate Paris. So, wala na siyang school for this year. So, bukas, sabi pa nga niya, I'm gonna wear my watch tomorrow to school, Mommy. Nagdamugo ka. You got no more school for this year. So, there's no need talaga na mag-grocery shopping kami today. I can do it any day now. Ooh, what is this?
Perfect.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you? One for you and one for me. No? Stick off. Give to Ate. Go. 6:30 ng gabi. So, nag-iisa ako, guys. Pipick upin natin si Daddy Mike sa Coles Grocery. Kasi umalis siya ng bahay. Sabi niya, bibili siya ng tubig. Maglalakad lang daw siya. Tapos, tumawag, naghingi ng helping hand. Kasi, napadami daw yung bili niya. So, nagpapapick up siya kasi bumili din daw siya ng soft drinks and oh. Ayan oh. Tapos, nag-CR pa ako. Natagalan. Hintay pa, Mordong. Buti na lang, andun ang kanilang lola. Bantay. Did you get floor wipes, Pop? Kay si Baby Celine, itong tatay niya, before siya umalis, binigyan ng milk si Baby Celine. Ay, marami siguro yung binigay, sinuka. Medyo, may amoy yung, tawag yung floor ba? Dahil sa suka. Did you get floor wipes? Floor wipes.
Back in the car.
Huh?
She's back in the car over here.
Yeah.
The lion man kicked in.
Huh?
The lion man's kicked in. Hmm? Huh?
Bob, that's phlegm.
That's my phlegm, Bob. That's my cum coming to my cum coming through my chest.
We should. Oh, we don't have coins though, Bob. Coins only.
Is that?
Yeah. Do we? Normally I have coins. Ours. Probably. Yeah, no. Coins only. I don't have any. Perfect timing sana kung may coins kasi gusto nila ay i-vacuum namin yung sasakyan kasi every time na si Celine ay nasa sasakyan, every time I go close to the vacuum place, grabe yung iyak niya, guys. Umiyak siya. Traumatized na siya last time. Tapos since noon hindi na, ayaw na niyang pumunta dyan sa vacuum place. Mom said we're gonna have KFC tonight. Yeah?
Yes, I already had KFC. And she brought it home.
Yeah.
That I'll be eating is...
Yung mama ni Daddy Mike kanina, umalis. Bumili ng KFC, sabi niya KFC daw yung
She likes one of that.
KFC daw yung dinner namin tonight.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, it's my time. And I made a picture right now. And I wanted to show you and tell you what it is. I'm going to show you first.
You'll get to do it with the horse because you'll feel that horse is there.
So this is a little troll. I named her Twiggy. And Twigs because her name is Twiggy. And some grass. And a Venus flytrap. I mixed pink and blue to make purple hair because I didn't have purple. I mixed orange and red to make the nose color and red to color the mouth. And then I used black to do a twig and then color blue and then put some stitches. And her color skin is pink. Guess what Venus flytrap is? It's like a...
What did you say lang?
Is that baby mermaid?
What's this?
Venus flytrap. But do you know why?
Oh, fly trap.
Venus flytrap. You know why? Do you know why I did that? Because in the movie there's Venus flytrap.
You love mermaids, don't you?
Do you know why I did it red? Because in the movie it's red.
It's so good, honey. Have a look at her drawing sa dinrawing pa niya sa tawag dito? Paper towel, hindi yan yung papel na
Mimi
normal.
accidentally put that on. I
Yeah.
told her to do a twig, like along a line,
It's so good.
but she just did a whole line.
Oh my goodness, what?
I'm an A plus or A plus.
Alright? You're so good. A plus. You're so good.
It's A plus.
Gonna clean the bedroom, honey.
You
Have a look. Yung binili namin sa TK Maxx the other day.
TK Maxx.
The diffuser. So nice
What's
kasi
a
nag-change niya yung kulay.
What's a TV there?
Diffuser.
Fusion.
Eucalyptus ang nilagay nila. What did you draw? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful drawing, Lini. Have a look at that. So colorful.
That's really good.
So colorful, sweetie. Oh, good.
Those colours that you choose are so lovely, alright? You always choose really good.
You wanna show us well? You wanna show? Mom, I wanna show Lola. She's done as well.
What's that, lady? Hello, what's that?
Bob,
What is it?
she ran around. She said like, I wanna show Lola.
Yeah, what is it? What is it? Is that a mermaid, lady?
Yeah.
You got a good mermaid?
Lady!
Get out this way.
Tickle Daddy! Tickle Daddy!
Cyrus, did you kick yourself? Zombie, show me zombie face. Show me your zombie face. Have a look, zombie's coming.
I'm happy. I think Nina happy.
Happy?
Nina happy.
No. Oh.
Tika, daddy.
No.
Tika.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, I can't because Lily's gonna tick at me if I do.
Tika, daddy. Tika.
Tika.